Ever texted, "I'm fine," while you are absolutely not fine? Ever wished your partner could just get it without another fight? There's a new free AI that reads emotions before replying, and couples are calling it their relationship lifesaver. It's called Aimee Says, and it might just fix what technology broke in love. ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, they're amazing at facts, logic, and code. But love isn't code. It's tone, timing, and tiny words that mean everything. Ask them for advice, and you'll get logic. Ask Aimee Says, and you get empathy. It listens for frustration, softness, sarcasm, even silence between your words. That's the difference. Logic helps you win arguments. Empathy helps you keep relationships. Before we dive in, welcome to Everyday AI, where we make artificial intelligence simple, practical, and fun for everyday life. Subscribe if you believe tech should make us more human, not less. Meet Anna and Max. 4 years together, but lately living side by side instead of together. Work, bills, silence. Max forgot their anniversary.
Damn it.
Anna shut down. He tried typing an apology, but it sounded cold. Then he found Aimee Says. It asked him why he felt sorry, what memory mattered most. Then it helped him write this. I'm truly sorry I forgot our anniversary. You mean the world to me, and I'm grateful for every moment we share. I want to celebrate you and our relationship, not just today, but always. He didn't just say sorry, he said it right. What makes Aimee Says different? Unlike general chatbots, Aimee Says was designed specifically for survivors of emotional or physical abuse. Every part of the tool, from its prompts to its tone, follows what's called a trauma-informed design. It focuses on one domain, relationships affected by manipulation, gaslighting, or control. Let's see Aimee Says in action through 3 moments every couple knows. 1. The misunderstanding. You text, "I'm fine," but you're clearly upset. You ask Aimee Says, "My partner says they're fine, but sounds hurt. How can I reply gently?" It suggests, "I care about how you feel and want to understand. If you're comfortable, can you share what's on your mind?" It softens tension before it grows. 2. The surprise. Let's add some warmth. You say, "Plan a romantic evening for my wife, who loves pop art and pasta." In seconds, Aimee Says creates a nice plan and dinner ideas. Thoughtful, personal, easy. No more thinking too long for the perfect date idea. 3. The stress day. Long day, your partner's overwhelmed. You ask, "How can I help my partner without sounding preachy?" It replies, "Support your partner by listening without judgment, validating their feelings, and gently offering help. Ask open-ended questions and focus on understanding, not fixing. Let them set the pace. Little things that build big trust." Let's do a small comparison between ChatGPT and Aimee Says. I asked both the AI tools the following question, and here's how it went. ChatGPT works like the mind. It spots patterns, breaks cycles, and offers structure, like a calm friend saying, "Pause. Let's find what's actually causing this fight." It helps you think clearly, not feel deeply. Aimee Says works like the heart. It listens to tone, senses emotion, and responds with empathy. Like someone saying, "I can feel how much that hurt you. Let's talk it through together." In love, logic keeps you steady. Emotion keeps you connected. Remember Anna and Max? 2 weeks later, they weren't perfect, but they were present. Because love doesn't fade. It forgets how to speak. Aimee Says helps it remember. If you believe technology should heal hearts, not harden them, try Aimee Says today. It's free, friendly, and fluent in feelings. Tag your partner in the comments and ask, "Would you try Aimee Says with me?" Let's see how many couples take the challenge. Like, share, and subscribe to Everyday AI, where we make artificial intelligence simple, practical, and beautifully human.